everyone, here's Massa from coinIX. coinIX is a blockchain investment firm based in Hamburg, and they make it possible for everyone to have exposure to digital assets. I am here at EthCC in Cannes, and we are at the booth of Wonderland. I have Lara right next to me. She's the CMO of Wonderland. Lara, it's great to have you here.
Great to be here. Thank you so much for having me.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself? What is your story? How did you end up in the blockchain industry?
Yeah, so I actually was on a plane in 2019, and the man next to me started talking to me about blockchain. When he found out I spoke a couple of languages, he was like, you should check it out. And, if you want to go into the industry, I'll give you a job. I looked into it the next day, and after having been raised in South America and experiencing a lot of the problems that everyone in the global South experiences, I thought it was a great idea to jump into the industry. So here I am a bunch of years later, and I'm still hooked.
Wow, I guess the universe wanted you to join in.
Yeah.
Can you tell me more about Wonderland? What is this project? What are you guys doing?
Yeah, absolutely. So we do foundational engineering for frontier technologies. Basically what that means is that we partner up with the teams that we believe in and help them build some things that haven't been built before, whether that be in infrastructure, application development, architecture, anything. We basically go really deep and figure out what the best standards are.
And is there anyone else in the market who's doing the exact thing that your team are doing?
Not really, no. There are different iterations of it, but we're the only ones that really do it the way that we do.
Can you mention some of the updates, new partnerships, something related to your project that you want to share with our audience?
Yeah, absolutely. So currently we're partnered up with the Ethereum Foundation. We're working on Kohaku and their interoperability standards. We're also partnered up with Optimism, Aztec, Aerodrome, ELA, Geo, Privacy Pools, and Jolt from A16Z. Yeah, our partnerships are looking really healthy, really good. ELA is a new AI agentic DeFi project, and we'll actually be having a demo at the booth here in a few minutes.
Oh,
so
nice.
They launched last week, so we're really excited about that one. Yeah, everything else is looking really good.
Bearish or bullish in 2026?
Bullish, and not because of the market. At the moment, we're seeing a lot of institutional adoption. If you take a look at the participants at EthCC, we have a lot of institutional events. So I think it's time that the world is actually paying attention to what we're doing in the blockchain industry. So the projects that are real and legitimate and are run like actual businesses, I think those are the ones that are going to be successful.
The right answer is always bullish, because we have to look at the market in the wide sector, not just focusing in some specific periods where the market is down. Which sector in the crypto world do you think is going to be the next big thing?
I think privacy will continue to explode, and agentic finance will continue to explode. I think it's going to make everything else a lot more accessible, and will continue making it easier for anyone to come in and take control of their money.
That's so interesting. I just interviewed 4 other people at EthCC, and all of them said privacy. So probably that's the thing. During the past few years, many people have given up on crypto. They have lost their hope and they have left the sector. What motivates you to stay in this industry?
The initial mission. So I am in crypto because it's a mission-driven motivation. At the end of the day, I believe that decentralized systems are the way forward. It is nuclear-proof infrastructure, and it also empowers people. And so anything that empowers you to take control of your life, your information, your data, I think is positive, and it's for the win.
Thank you so much for the interview. We're looking forward to all the future milestones that Wonderland is going to achieve, and have a great day.
Thank you.